Hi there, welcome back in my YouTube channel. I want to show you another cool things in Softimage XSI, and maybe this video is very old things because this software is retired, but the same things you can use it in another software. This is only for create theory. Okay, so we can create, for example, a new geometry like for example the polygon mesh. Can keep here, for example we can create the sphere. Okay, and with radius for example 2 is not very important, the sides, the radius of them. We can move up, okay, little bit, can zoom out, okay, give more space, and we can control D for duplicate. We can assign duplicate another and another. Okay, essentially now I want to create the constraint. The constraint is the link from this for example from one geometry to another geometry for create the link in animation and for the parent and for move it. When you create for example the constraint, you can go here, and here we have the constraint, position, rotation, direction, and etc. We can create the position, for example. We can, okay, need before select the geometry, position to this. You can see is moved, but I don't want that. For example, we can come back. I want is keep the same position. So we can go here, constraint position, and then now we can go to constraint. We can come back here, for example position, and we can select that. Then we can again another position, another position, and another position. Okay, and the concept is when I move that is moved all. Okay, but I want when I move that there is the little delete, so for create the nice effects for this moving. We can select that, we can press 8 for example, the explored, and we can go to under the sphere cinematic constraint position. When I click when I click on position, I have here the blend weight. The blend weight, if I for example say 0.5, and also for that we can go here and we can find, okay, it's the same, okay, because it's active here. I have here the for sphere 1 position constraint. We can see here in the panel properties, so we don't need to go to the explored, but we can keep here, and the same 0.5 and 0.5, 0.5. Okay, and I can, for example, reduce that wireframe. We can go to shaded, or either I remove it. No. We go to shaded, and now we can see what's happened if I move at that. You can see I have the little delay from this to this. You can see this animation, we have these effects of delay, and it should be very nice for some stuff when you're working, okay, when you want to create some effects in animation like this. Another example is with, for example, the constraint orientation. Orientation is essentially the rotation of your object, okay, and with the different kind of blending, okay, for example 0.1, 0.25, and 0.5, that if I remember, yeah, 0.5, you can have the difference effects like this. And for this video, it's all. Maybe you can use, I'm sure you can use the same techniques in other software. So if you like, see you. Bye.